Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first. Update iPhone iOS and watch OS, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and keep both devices near each other. Once ready, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. This initiates the secure connection. Make sure the watch screen shows the pairing animation because the iPhone camera reads it. If you have an Apple ID, sign in now so health and fitness data can link, and proceed through the quick prompts to establish the base connection. Now focus on data flow. In the Watch app, choose Setup for Fitness and Health and allow the watch to send activity and workout data to iPhone. You must grant Health app permissions for steps, workouts, heart rate, and active energy so metrics appear correctly. Once done, enable iCloud for Health to sync historical records and keep them consistent across devices. Make sure background app refresh is on for Health and Watch apps, so incoming data updates in real time. Finish by testing. Start a short outdoor walk or indoor workout and watch activity rings update in the Fitness app. This confirms successful sync. If you don't see data, restart both devices, check Bluetooth and iCloud status, and re-inspect health permissions because revoked access blocks sync. If problems persist, unpair and re-pair the watch from the Watch app. This restores a backup and refreshes the connection. A single quick restart usually fixes timing or permission glitches, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.